Good news for all the bowlers, the Cebu-City bowling area is now open again. They have completely renovated it and you have 16 lanes to bowl. The prices, as you can see, are quite good. And when we were there on a regular day, it was still quite full. They also offer you the chance to do table tennis. You can also do a little archery. And they have billiard tables available too. They have some recurve bows and you can adjust the range a little bit, and the prices are not that expensive. But back to the bowling and watching the guapo American in his jogging pants. Yeah, he's throwing some strikes. Because of the pandemic, you still have to wear masks while being on the bowling area, but it's okay. And really likes bowling because it's fun, and after some practice she really knows how to throw. And even RJ was here the first time and even he is getting better. Don't forget to comment on the videos and subscribe to my channel. And after watching my videos, don't forget to go to Cebu-City and have some games of bowling. Maybe you become as good as me. Let's end it with this strike. Bye bye for now, and don't forget to come and watch the next videos.